like to hide in the dark. In the dark. Sometimes I just like to hide in the dark. There's no need for me to be present in the daylight, because I just like to hide in the dark. Sometimes I just like to hide in the dark. There's no need for me to be present in the daylight, because I just like to hide in the dark.
Style talking. Style talking.
I still can't believe you're fucking talking. Dark. Dark.
go like day after day. I gotta go.
Deliver your way and on your schedule with DoorDash. And earn more with new and more ways to dash. Now you can dash groceries, alcohol, and even pet supplies. New ways to dash means more ways to enjoy what you do, and more ways to get paid. Sign up now to make the most of every dash. DoorDash.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility and diversity of futures trading with NinjaTrader, the #1 rated futures broker. Start trading futures today.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
little old $30. What do you do for $30? You don't even make $30 an hour. I just made $30 in 15 minutes. And a lot of that time was just setting my charts up. Sure, it's not a lot of money, but I'm just knocking the dust off from sleeping late this morning. Taking it easy. Managing the risk. Still got sleep in my eyes. Go fuck yourself. Don't be a slacker.
Fully redesigned with
I
available
hate
trail
commercials.
wash to help you conquer
Fucking
tough
hate
terrain.
commercials.
Our most capable Honda yet.
Especially when they make you listen to them. Fucking commercials. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, we're gonna try something different.
4G.
Let's see what we got. Let's try some. Alright, let's go to my playlist. And let's go to Trading Tunes. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. Got caught in a fake out. Dumbass. chopped up a little bit there.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Best loser wins.
This is the good loving cult.
Down a $1.55. $1.55. All right, here we go. This is an interesting spot.
This is the good loving cult.
If you click this data right
Order
here, I'll
filled.
teach you a little known trick for finding low price stocks on the verge of moving higher. It all starts with this little blue arrow you can see right here. What you're looking at is a real-time buy signal for stock ticker KALA. Now,
Order filled.
Down $100. Got to work my way out of that little hole I created. Get back to the money. Got to get back to the money. Market's not even open yet. Well, I mean, pre-market, slow market. News in 15 minutes.
And like the vault is free. I gain more value out of the vault.
So
and, like,
goddamn sick of
freaking
commercials,
money
dude. I
has to
hate
go up.
fucking commercials, dude. They should get hit with a baseball bat every time they take over your screen. And I can't do this music, dude. We're removing that off the playlist. Go fuck yourself. We're gonna go.
Imagine the possibilities of sharing your life with a lovely young Asian lady.
Probably gonna ride till the bell rings. Let that news get out of there. Go grab a cup of coffee. Be back. I got a couple of mutt monsters. I could have got into that, but 9 minutes to major news. 25 minutes before official New York Open. Setting that $100 down for the day. It's all good. $100 ain't shit. Sometimes waiting is the best trading. Gotta get in tune, gotta feel the market. It's trading down here at the bottom of fair value. Fair value right about here. Notice how fair value lines up with this congestion here. We just gonna chill, see what happens. Let it rip, let it rip. I don't expect you to understand. I just don't. I don't. What I do expect is for you to go fuck yourself. I have a feeling it's going to be a real good day when the bell bangs. Almost took a trade there. Sit on your hands, fool. we're gonna do something here. Get our other screen set up. I slept late. I normally have all this shit done way early. But, you know, I'm a slacker. Us fucking cave trolls. Fucking cave troll. This isn't for everybody. But if it's for you, S&P, Dow, Russell, crude oil, micro crude oil, they're all micros, gold, micro gold. I got gold already mapped out a little bit in the last couple of days. Gotta get rid of some shit off of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And get rid of that. Silver. I think we're gonna make this let's find another micro. I was gonna put platinum, but let's do micro copper. And this is gonna be micro Bitcoin. Just because. Alright, let's get our time set in.
Did you know that Amazon has a $50 million
Did you know that you could fuck off?
And here's how you can get a cut of it.
Oh, that's not what we want there. We want 5 minutes. All right, micro S&Ps, micro Dow, micro Russell, micro crude oil, micro gold, micro silver, micro copper, and micro Bitcoin. And then to the target rate. Oh, let's save that. Bloop. And we are. This is the micro Nas crack. Trading 5-lot micros. Real trading. This is not practice. $100,000 combine. Waiting for the market to open. Got news in 3 minutes. Market open in 12, 10, 15, I mean. I'm a moron. I don't even know if I should be trading. Sitting back, sipping coffee, watching the market. $100 down. $100 ain't shit, especially when the market opens. But we could be fuck up and be down $500 in 3 seconds. That's why you gotta watch your P's and Q's. That's why. Go fuck yourself. Don't try this at home. Unless, of course, you're a little bit insane. Got a little cave troll in you. Because you're going to have to hang out in the cave for a long time. Soak up this shit. This is RSI, Relative Strength Index. That means on average, the candle length, these 5-minute candle lengths, each one of these candles is 5 minutes of data. The average candle length is 20.82 points. That means that candle swing, rotation, 20 points, 21 points, will rotate you right out of that trade. This is the hourly chart. Every one of these candles is 1 full hour of trading. Every one of these candles, 15 full minutes of trading. Each candle is 5 minutes. Every candle is 5 minutes. This is 100 tick. That ticks are a little different than time, but there's a whole shit ton of these in every one of these candles. There are 3 of these in every one of these, and there are 4 of these in every one of these. So you're watching dimensional time frames roll out. This is what's happening in all these. This is what's happening in all these. This is what's happening in here. Time and sales. These are the orders that are actually printing in the market. How many of them are printed? When you see them on this one, they have hit the market. They are actual orders. These are orders stacked on the ladder on both sides, bid and ask. These have not printed yet. So you'll see a big order come in right here. It could be 1,000 lot, and they're spoofing the market. They're trying to draw the price back down to them. Blech. I couldn't. Can you imagine trading on acid? I'm going to take a couple minutes before the market opens. I'll be back. This is real trading this morning. $100,000 combine VIP account, actually, with Topstep X. This is Topstep X platform. I typically ride with them online, but I am unplugged from most social media at the moment. Working on some of my own shit. Yesterday was a recording practice. Today is real trading. And still a recording. I think tomorrow I'll start my live trading. Cleaned up my YouTube channel, The Average Mac Holdings. Going to start getting serious about education, good music for trading, maybe some gaming. Yeah, we'll see. A lot of live trading. Back in a few. All right. We's back. News already out. Doesn't look like it was too big of a deal. Sometimes that shit can be a rodeo. 10 minutes to market New York session open. We've been trading pre-market. Shit moving relatively slow. Down $100. $100,000 Combine VIP account. Had a real rough ride in the early days of this VIP account. Couldn't trade for shit. Had to unplug social media, get my head straight. Guess we're gonna find out how straight it is. Not gonna take any trades in front of the open. Just gonna sit back, watch, see what the markets do, watch those levels, see what kind of price action we got going. Kind of what I'm watching right now, just right now, right this moment. This doesn't necessarily mean anything, but I think our overall trend for the day is going to be probably going to be a bearish day, but I am kind of looking at a megaphone pattern on the 15-minute early stage megaphone, so we could end up back up in here somewhere. Could come right back up into this range, bang around in this range some. Yeah, listen, NASDAQ, it could end up in the ozone way up here back at high a day. We just got to act accordingly. We got to recognize and act accordingly. It's looking heavy as hell, but I'm really starting to like longs, to be honest with you. Transitional period. This is evolution. I kind of want to trade that open, but I'm not going to do it because I'm in a real account. I ain't quite dialed in yet. Man, I was going to take that too. You just heard me talk about that. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Hindsight's a motherfucker in the markets. That would have been a scalp and a half, dude, right there. We're 5 minutes to the open. We ain't even open yet. Gonna be a rodeo today. Interesting level. Interesting level. Big ass fucking 1 hour candle doji. Look at that. Indecision. It's trying to figure out which way it's going to go. And this is what's happening inside the candle. Two minutes to open. It's very hard not to trade right now. Sometimes the best trades are the no trades. I'm already $100 down. I want to chill because I want to get back into the green. I want to get back into money. I'm just fucking around. One minute to open. A little less. I think we're about to go open. You're probably going to see a woo, woo. Big ass liquidity grab to go back down low. Just an approximation though. ACH, anything can happen. Just got to watch, recognize, act accordingly. See how it's driving that energy? Driving that energy into a tighter spot. Woo, there it goes. We open. A lot of motherfuckers rushing to get into that. Bad juju. Negatory morning glory. Not me. Gonna be patient. I'm not catching that falling knife. I'm going to wait for a really good pullback. Probably back up into here. Pull back up into this area. Probably. We'll see. This is day trading, not investing. I think I'm going to look for shorts.
Order filled.
The reasons
Order
behind
filled.
hate, stupid.
Little sniper hit right there. $30, I think. Little sniper hit. Guerrilla warfare. God, I hate commercials. They disgust me. Right in the middle of trading. I think that was a $30 fucking trade. $32. Had a little bit of a bad run. That's all my trading this morning. Let's go ahead and pull that up there. Looks like we're banging out a new range. There she goes. I knew, remember I was talking about it was going to come up right to here and I was waiting for that pullback to here. I took a little $30 scalp because it was so close to the open, but ideally I would have held that trade. Shoulda, woulda, couldas. Bad spot, bad spot. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. There's that 1 hourly. Think of this as a gravitational center that's gravitationally pulling the price to it. In the sense of, watch this. Look at that. Look. Boom. Bang, 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 bang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times right there. 11. Now look at this. Bang, bang, bang. Gravitational. But coming down, coming down, coming down. Bounce up. Now, are we going to go back up into this? Up towards this heavier gravitational pull? Or are we going to bounce again? Here. And then we've got this heavier gravitational pull down here. Look, oh, looks can be deceiving, very much so in the markets. That's why you gotta, what's it actually doing? What are you seeing? Trade what you see, but understand that what you see is not always what's happening. Very deceptive. That's how it makes its money. That's a lot of downward pressure. They really wanted to get down to this level. Question is, do they want to go down to the next level? Big institutional money driving markets. Down to $80. We just pennies, inches, and seconds today. I think what I might do, do some mapping.
Order filled. Order filled.
Quick $70. Only down $20. I'm not fucking with it right there. Alright, we haven't checked other markets for a minute. Let's go look at other shit. Gold been banging up high, all-time high. Over $3,000 an ounce. It's gonna be 4,000 before long. I bet. S&Ps, all the indices are. Crude oil, way to fuck. $67 a barrel. $68 a barrel. Gas prices coming down. Everything's rolling downward. That's alright, let's. I think I'm gonna stay in the NASDAQ. Data's taking a minute to catch up. You gotta be careful that you get caught in some stupidity. Oh, what the fuck do we have? Oh, there it goes. A lot of data. I'm just waiting and watching. We're really extended here. In essence, it's still breaking through this area of liquidity. Because even though you see a line here, it's actually more of a range. There's an area of liquidity. Cooling off a little bit after all this hardcore push. It's got to reset a little bit. Question is, how much is it going to reset? That's what we're witnessing right here. All this is this green candle right here. Man, it's hard. It ain't no joke. Trading ain't no joke, dude. Day trading especially. Thousands of hours of screen time to even have an approximation of what you're doing.
Order filled. Order filled.
$30 in the money. We got ourselves out of that little $200 hole we were in. Just chilling, taking it easy. I ain't here to break the bank. Not today. I'm in the process of getting my legs back underneath me so I can sling some big money. Angles of approximation. Injecting leverage into instantaneous rates of change for explosive outcomes. You gotta learn what you're doing. You need a couple hundred hours of screen time, a few hundred hours of screen time to even have a beginning of understanding of what you're doing, especially in day trading, especially in the futures. You need thousands of hours of screen time before you're ever going to be profitable. Don't do this at home. Don't be a moron. Don't be an idiot.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was a little $30. I'm trading micros. I am micro scalping micros. That is an intentional tactic. I am making little $30, $40, $50, $60, $70 hits, sniping them rather than $5, $6, $7, $800, $5, $6, $7,000 hits. That's just a whole different. That's a different methodology of trading. The risk balloons along with the reward. Right now, I'm making small amounts of money, but my risk is really small. So if I take hits, I'm not taking a fucking $2,000 hit. I'm taking a $100 hit. Losing is part of the game. You got to learn how to lose. It's the controlled loss that drives you to the money. Man, I'll sit here on my ass in this chair listening to music, drinking coffee, petting my dog, making $50 lots all goddamn day long, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck the time clock. And then when I get really dialed in, I'll up the fucking ante and I'll be making $500 trades, $1,000 trades. But if you can't make $50 trades, you're never going to make $500 trades. And your entire trading career is going to be going back and forth between managing risk. This prop firm money, dude. I'm trading prop firm accounts, man. Trading it like it ain't my money. It ain't my money. Gotta treat it with respect. Look at that ladder going crazy. Probably going to trade full fast markets today. It's 8:53. We've been at it for an hour and 30 minutes. Probably going to go to about 11, 12 o'clock. Full day session.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now it's a $40 trade. We're at $91. It's how it is sometimes, man. If you can't make pennies, inches, and seconds, you're never going to make dollars, feet, and minutes, hours. You just ain't going to do it. Can't cry about that either. At 5 minis, micro contracts is costing me $3.70 every time I hit the market and come out. But on average, I'm making $50 a trade roughly. Yeah, you know, maybe $40 a trade. I had a little bit of a goofy moment right there. Let's see where it started for the day. Today is the 18th. Right here. That was a couple days ago. Started out real easy. Took a couple pops. Started pulling my way back out. This is that $200 I got down real quick. But look at this. Look at all that green money. Ooh, baby. All day long. Go fuck yourself. Silver's looking good. Wouldn't mind taking a short on silver right there. But I didn't, and I'm okay with that. Oh, my connection's not doing good. Look at that. I might want to chill for a minute. Let's go look at the. Alright. $100,000 VIP combine. Topstep X. Topstep TV. Got a total of $541.22 on the P&L. Got an overall 76.92% for the day and 83.33% for the life of the account. That means that 8 out of 10 trades, better than 8 out of 10 trades. I am winning. This is for today. I'm almost at 8, just under 8 trades for the day winning. Out of 10. P&L curve, kind of flat here because I didn't do any trading in there really too much. My most profitable day was $252.40. My least profitable day was $91.90, which is today. Just chilling, dude. Just chilling. Didn't trade a full week there. I usually trade Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in a warehouse, which is coming to an end rapidly. Been a little flat spin in the head a little bit lately. Had to back up, go to micros, trade smaller. This can very easily be a $2,000 day, a $1,900 day, a $9,000 day, but you sometimes have to step out of that risk and go back down to lower level risk and get your head straight. But hey, I'll do this all day long. All day long. All motherfucking day long. All day long. Sometimes it's just pennies, inches, and seconds, man. Pennies, inches, and seconds. Beats running around on that fucking forklift for 12 hours a day, beating the shit out of yourself, dealing with corporate dick sucking. I don't give a fuck who you are. That's sucking dick, dude. And if you don't suck dick better than the next guy, you ain't worth fucking. They'll get rid of you. What it's become in today's society is disgusting. I want nothing to do with it anymore. We deserve robots coming and taking over all our shit. I'm excited for the day.
Order filled.
That might have been a bad spot. Maybe. I'll get out now. Probably going to be real glad I got out when I got out. That was a $23 hit, I think. $23 trade, I think. Oh, that was a $35 trade. We're at $123.20. Pennies, inches, and seconds, baby. $123 for an hour and a half. Most of that was setting up my screens. I'm very much see money, take money. I could very easily be holding, well, I say easily, but it's not easy, holding those trades a little bit longer. But the longer you're in the market, the more it's very your risk balloons the longer you're in the market. And the methodology of how I'm trading is guerrilla warfare, hit and run, hit and run, hit and run. And it's a very fine line between hitting and running and getting caught in a firefight. You get caught in a firefight, these guys got bigger guns than you. You're going to be sitting there with your pea shooter and they're coming at you with tanks and fucking airplanes and fucking nuclear bombs. All right, I've been trading for an hour and a half. I was going to go full session, but like I said, you spend so much time in front of these screens. I mean, I literally have years of nothing but screen time. If I'm not at work, screen time. If I'm not at, I'm a gamer too, so I'm in front of the screens gaming at the same, when I'm also in front of the screens trading. There was during this period of time, I was homeless for a time, living in my fucking truck, and guess what? I had a mobile station, I had screens, and when I wasn't at work, I was in State Park with fucking battery pack and fucking solar panels and mobile internet, and I had screens on top of the hood of my truck. But look at me now, I'm sitting in my house, I'm on my ass, I'm fucking got a cup of coffee in my hand, just made $125 in fucking an hour. So, yeah. I'm trading small, real limited risk right now. If I was, the micros are 1/10 the leverage, 1/10 the risk of minis. All right, so I'm trading micros right now, and I'm micro scalping micros. That means I'm taking small pieces. I'm taking $30, $40, $50, $60, $70. Generally under $100. Every time I hit the trigger, I'm guerrilla warfare, running in, grabbing 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks, running back out again. All right. Now, when my head's dialed in, I jump up to minis, and then that's times 10. So that $30, $50, $60 becomes $300, $600. So you got to learn to play the game, and that takes hours and hours, thousands of hours of screen time, understanding what opportunity is. Ain't nobody can do it for you. Ain't nobody gonna hand you the money. It's all you. You gotta figure it out. Probably a good short right there that I'm not gonna take. Watch there. See, that'd have been money. Probably could hold that one a little bit longer, but I would have just got a scalp there. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Hindsight's a bitch in the markets. I tell you what I'm going to do. Watch this. I'm going to jump over to practice. I'm done with the live account today. And I'm going to jump up to minis. I'm going to scalp some minis. And let's go to the NASDAQ. Now, I don't have these mapped out like I did, but that's okay. I'm going to get my screens dialed in. I'm going to show you the difference. Before I log out. All right, now in order to do this, all right, I got to open up my, now instead of risking $150 a trade, I'm going to risk $1,000 a trade. And believe me, this is a mental game. You got to practice to do this. You ain't going to just do this. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing in the micros. So every time I'm pushing the button, I'm risking $1,000 or more. Typically $1,000 if I don't fuck with my stop loss. All right. And I'm gonna scout 5 lots in the minis. Minis are 10 times the leverage and risk of the micros. And in the markets, if you were going to make $100, you're more likely to lose $1,000. It's a much slippery slope on the downside than it is on the upside. Bad spot. Now, we did switch over to a practice account because I'm about to get goofy with this.
Order filled.
See how goofy that got real
Order
quick?
filled.
Yep. $800 gone in 2 seconds. That's okay. Watch how fast I can make it back once I get dialed in.
Order filled. Order filled.
250 of it back real quick.
Order filled. Order filled.
Another $275 of it back real quick. Notice how I lost 800, but now I'm chipping out $250 lots. You got to get dialed in, man. When you're playing money like that, big money like that, you have got to be dialed in. And you can't freak out over a little red ink or you'll never get where you need to be. Missed it. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna open up
Order
that.
filled.
Damn it, got popped again. $1,500 gone, 2 seconds. Moving the fucking stop losses.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one up. This is gonna be a good one. Boom.
Order filled.
$1,200. We're going
Order
again.
filled.
Opening up. Doubling down on this. This is gonna get hairy.
Order filled.
That was $600. That was $1,250 trade, a $50 trade, and a $600 trade. Bang, 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 bang. After that $1,000 loss. Now. That's why you gotta have your shit together, man. You can't be second guessing yourself. You gotta watch, recognize, trust yourself, and act. You got to recognize market conditions. Is it trading in a range? Is it trending? Is it busting out of a range? You cannot get caught in between the ranges. You can't be trading a range in a non-ranging market. You can't be trading a non-ranging market in a range. You've got to recognize market conditions that are changing and ever flowing, and you've got to be able to move and flow with those conditions. I'm gonna try to get over $1,000 really quickly and be done with it for the day.
Order filled. Order filled.
There's a $325 pop. Sniper run. Just sniped out $325. Up $577 in just a few minutes. Try to get another couple of good ones. Yeah, playing at this level ain't no joke. Transparency, we jumped over to a practice account just to show you the difference between micros and minis.
Order filled.
This could be bad, this could be bad, this could be bad, this could be bad, but I think we're gonna be okay. I'm gonna give it some more room on this one. And I'm leveraging in. We're gonna be all right. Boom, that was a $500 trade. $425. I lost $175 on one set of those contracts, but we came out with a couple $100. Leveraging in like that'll get you in trouble. You gotta be careful. You gotta know what you're doing.
Order filled. Order filled.
Shit.
Order filled.
Giving myself a little bit more room, coming into that a little bit more. We're gonna be all right.
Order filled.
Waiting for it, waiting for it, waiting for it, waiting for it. And I've got to let it come down because I'm leveraged in 2 sets of contracts. I don't want to lose on several sets of those contracts. Boom, $3,000 trade. All right, that's what I wanted to show you. That was a $1,000, $2,000, $2,600, $3,000 trade. And we were up and down a little bit, but in like 10 minutes, just made $3,500. That's the difference between micros and minis. And with that, don't try this shit at home, fools. Fuck the time clock.
Never sell your passwords, bank details, and private messages.